Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface box to add Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and USB multimedia in NTG5. So technically this is a plug and play interface, easy to install, and also you can add backup camera just in case if your Mercedes doesn't come with backup camera. So first of all we have to identify the NTG in our Mercedes. So if you have this type of menu, that means you have NTG5. So this is really important to identify the iCommand system in your Mercedes. The way that the unit works, it's so easy. There is a T-harness. This is our T-harness. That's the original cable for command system. So you use the female side and the male side from the factory wire goes to the female, and the other side goes to the back of the radio. So it retains everything in the factory command system. And then there is a blue cable here that we unplug it. That's for the LVDS for the screen, and it's right here. So it goes to our LVDS T-harness, and the other side goes to the spot of the factory LVDS. And then there is only two plugs. One is from that square connection, which is the big one including the power. It goes to the interface, and the small one is for LVDS. There is some dip switch that the instruction comes for different sizes of screen and different type of cars. And this is the USB for USB multimedia, and there is one USB adapter to do auxiliary in these vehicles. It's not installed, so you have to go inside the armrest. There is two USBs there that you insert this USB adapter, and you can do you can activate the auxiliary, and you're gonna have the sound. The way that the unit operates, it's so easy. By holding the hang up button for a few seconds, the screen switch to Apple CarPlay, and you can use the command knob to scroll left, right, and operate the Apple CarPlay. And also by going to reverse, if your car doesn't come with backup camera, you can do the backup camera. Also, if your car doesn't come with backup camera, you can go to the setting, and here we have reverse camera setting. You can choose after loading track or original camera. Car comes with backup camera, you can choose either or, and by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. Right now we are not connected to camera, we're just demoing what we are doing. So it goes to backup camera with dynamic guidelines. And again, I can go back. This is the main menu, so you can play music through USB. That's the CarPlay. Android Auto, that's Bluetooth. That's video, you can play through USB, and that's for dash cam. And that's the setting for the unit. You can change it to other options. You can add front camera, you can add 360 camera. This unit is fully loaded. And by going back to CarPlay, I can again go back to CarPlay. If you're interested to buy these units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to help you. Thank you and have a great day.